Discord has reduced the maximum file upload size for non-native users from 25 MB to just 10 MB. However, this change doesn't affect me much since I was already using a workaround before the limit was raised. One effective solution is to install an archiving application like WinRAR or any other compression tool that allows for splitting files. Simply set the split size to 10 MB, matching Discord's current free limit. And you can easily send the files to your clients. If a client is unsure how to extract the files, the extraction process remains straightforward. They just need to ensure all parts are downloaded, right-click on the first part, and select the option to extract to a designated folder. This way, they can access all the files without any loss in quality. I am Ferry Ras. Thanks for watching and I'll see you down the line.